Hi guys, Dalton here. In this tutorial, I'm going to walk you through Syft Analytics. This is a platform designed for financial reporting and business intelligence. Whether you are a business owner or an accountant or part of a finance team, Syft helps you analyze your data in a more visual and organized way. By the end of this tutorial, you will know how to create a Syft Analytics account, understand the dashboard, add an entity, build entity-specific reports, add cards to your performance dashboard, and integrate the platform with other services. Let's get started. Syft Analytics is a reporting and analysis platform that integrates with popular accounting software such as Xero, QuickBooks, and other systems. Its main purpose is to transform raw accounting data into professional and visual reports that make sense to both finance experts and business decision makers. The platform allows you to consolidate multiple entities, create financial forecasts, and track business performance across several dimensions. Features like dashboards, customizable layouts, and data visualization make it much easier to identify trends, spot opportunities, and highlight risks in your business. If you've ever struggled with generating clear reports out of accounting software, Syft simplifies that process by giving you ready-made templates while still allowing customization. It is built for collaboration too, so you can share reports with clients, colleagues, or stakeholders. Now that you have an overview, let's move to the first step, which is creating an account. To create your account, open a browser of your choice. Type Syft Analytics into the search bar and press enter. From the search results, click on the official Syft Analytics website. Once you land on the homepage, you will notice a Try for Free button in the top right corner. Click on it. This will take you to the registration page. Here you will find multiple sign-up options. You can register using Google, Microsoft, Xero, QuickBooks, or simply with an email address. For the sake of the tutorial, we will go with Google. Once you select Google, you will be asked to log in with your Google account credentials. After logging in, Syft will request some basic details to customize your account. Provide the required information, and within a few moments, your account will be ready. After completing this setup, you will be directed to the dashboard, which is the central hub of your account. The dashboard is the starting point for everything you do inside of Syft Analytics. Once you log in, you will see a clean and organized layout. On the left-hand side, there is a menu that includes tabs like Visualize, Financials, Analyze, Planning, Review, Layouts, Connections, and other options. Each tab represents a specific set of tools and features designed to help you manage your data and reports. The main area of the dashboard displays content depending on the section you select. For example, if you click on Visualize, you'll see your performance dashboard. If you go into Financials, you will find reports like profit and loss statements or balance sheets. Now, let's go into one of the most important steps, which is adding an entity. Before I show you the steps, let me briefly explain what an entity is in Syft. An entity represents a business unit or company from which you want to pull data. For example, if you are an accountant managing multiple clients, each client's business will be an entity. If you are a business owner with several subsidiaries, each one can be added as a separate entity. To add an entity, make sure you are on the dashboard. Navigate to the top right corner and click on the Add Entity button. This will take you to the entity creation page where you will see a set of options like accounting, Syft, demo, e-commerce payment, and bank feeds. For this tutorial, let's select Xero as an example. Click on the Xero option and you'll be redirected to the Xero login page. Enter your email and password, then sign in. Once logged in, you will be asked to authorize Syft Analytics to access your Xero data. Click on Allow Access. And after a moment, your Xero account will be connected to Syft as a new entity. You will be redirected back to the entity preview page where you can see all the entities you've added. Next to each entity, there is an Open button. By clicking it, you can dive into the entity's details such as sales, net profit, cash balance, expenses, operating expense ratio, and debtor days. Now that we've created an entity, let's see how to build reports specific to that entity. An entity-specific report is a report created for one particular entity. It pulls data only from that business unit and lets you analyze its performance in depth. To create one, go to the left-hand menu and click on Report. This will take you to the reports page at the top left corner. Click on the Create button. You will be given two options. One is to select a template report, and the other is to create an entity-specific report. For this tutorial, select Create an Entity-Specific Report. You will now see your list of entities at the top left side. Select the entity you want to generate the report for. Let's use the one that we created earlier. After selecting it, click on the Next button. In the next step, you will see different categories under Add Content. These include Summary, visualize, financials, analyze, planning, review, and upload. Each category has specific report blocks. For example, summary may show overall performance, while financials includes detailed statements. For this tutorial, let's go into the financials category and select profit and loss. Once you click on it, additional options appear on the right-hand side. Here you can choose the report type. For instance, standard. Select the view as monthly, set the comparison like actual versus prior, and decide whether to use default layouts. Once you have adjusted the settings, click on Add to Template. The selected profit and loss report will now appear in your template section. At the top, you'll also see a field asking you to name your template. Enter a name that makes sense for your report. For example, 0 P&L report. Then click on the Done button. Your entity-specific report is now ready and saved. You can return to it anytime for updates and customization. Next, let's add cards to your business performance dashboard. Cards are the visual blocks that display key information like income, expenses, or customer data. To add a card, go to the left-hand menu and click on Visualize, then choose Dashboard. This will open your business performance dashboard where you will see default cards such as sales, net profit, cash balance, expenses, and profit and loss. To add a new one, click on the Add Card button at the top left of the dashboard. A list of categories will appear, including KPI scorecards, profitability, cash, customers, products, P&L, and balance sheet, transaction list, and image. For this example, select profitability. A new panel will open with different options like income and expenses, income, expenses, profit and loss, top sales accounts, and top expense accounts. Click on Income, and instantly a new income card will be added to your dashboard. This card will display your income data, giving you a quick view of how your business is performing. You can move or customize the card further depending on your needs. Finally, let's talk about integrations. Syft Analytics supports connecting with various external platforms so you can bring in more data sources. To integrate, click on the Connections tab in the left-hand menu. This will take you to the Connections page where you can see existing integrations. If you don't have any yet, click on the Add Connection button. A pop-up window will appear with two main options at the top: Use a template and Connect external data. If you choose Use a template, you will see categories like technology, agriculture, hospitality, restaurants, manufacturing, nonprofit, and services. Each category comes with predefined layouts suited for that industry. Select View Details to see what each template includes, and if you like it, proceed with a guided setup. If you choose Connect External Data, you'll see a list of third-party services supported by Syft. These include SimplePay, MailChimp, HubSpot, multiple Zero payroll versions, and Gusto. Click on one of these, and a login or authorization window will appear. For example, if you select HubSpot, you'll be asked to enter your HubSpot credentials and authorize the connection. Once successfully connected, Syft Analytics will start syncing data from that platform directly into your reports and dashboards. You'll see the integrations listed under Connections, and you can manage it from there. And that's it. In this tutorial, I showed you how to create a Syft Analytics account, understand the dashboard, add an entity, create entity-specific reports, add cards to your business performance dashboard, and integrate with other platforms. Syft makes it easy to turn accounting data into meaningful insights that can guide your decisions and help your business grow. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more step-by-step guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.